Potato varieties. We have 5 varieties: Happy King, Gold King, Joy King, Blessing, and Rose King. Then we introducing value-added products. After that, we increase potato cultivation. Then increasing new technology about potato cultivation. After that, introducing new job opportunities. First, we set the date and venue. We can choose the date before 2 months. Then set location. Our location is Nuwadi Bakery Park. It's a festival season in April. We set location in there. After that, we invite farmers and cheese guests. Our guests are potato farmers in Nuwadi, Badulla, Valimada area. After that, then group members, KFHIN, Koika, Department of Agriculture team, and media unit. Then we arrange fun events. We arrange games. We have some games, catching potato, hot potato eating. There are new games for 300 people. Then we establish education booth. It's very important for students and other people. We create posters about nutrition value and new technology in potato cultivation. Then we create leaflets, videos, and presentation. Then we create the website for these events. After that, this is very important for participants. After that, we get food and vendors. We sell potato-based dishes. Its example: French fries, potato spiders, potato bread, potato ice cream, potato patties, cutlets, and chips. After that, we preparing potato cakes and biscuits. We sell all of them and get profit from it. Then we can promote the festival. We have some points: posters, local TV and radio advertisement, social media, newspapers advertisement, use speakers and sound setups, and make live dummies to eat 5 varieties, and give certificate to participants. Then we gather suppliers and volunteers. Decorations. There are some decorations